Hey, good morning. I've got another home project. I'm going to replace this 55-inch television with a 65-inch television. And this television is on a recessed wall, so going to a bigger television gives me viewing problems with my home speakers, because now the speakers will block the bottom corners of the television. So I've purchased what I consider to be the Rolls-Royce of TV wall mounts. I bought a Sanus VXF730. That mount will hold televisions up to 95 inches, up to 175 pounds, and it will allow the TV to pull off the wall 30 inches. It'll swivel left, right 55 degrees. I think it tilts up and down 8 degrees. And it also has roll compensation, so if your TV isn't level left to right, you can tweak it to level up the viewing screen. The problem with this mount is the instructions specifically state it can only be mounted to wood studs or concrete. I don't have either in this wall, and this wall isn't even built to normal building criteria because I don't have 16-inch on center studs. This wall's been a nightmare for me ever since I own a house. I love my home, but the builder really hosed me on this wall. Even though they put the cable outlet here to put a TV on it, they didn't build that wall for television mounting. I don't even want to get into that anymore. So let's go open up this mount and see what we got. Okay, this wall mount showed up yesterday, and there she is. So I'm going to open it, we'll unpackage it, and we'll check the quality. This wall mount is no slouch. That baby weighs 67 pounds. All right, TV's up to 95 inches, 175 pounds. It'll come out 30 inches off the wall. It's nice that they give you a full-size cardboard template, because to hold that mount on the wall, trying to locate your holes, be a difficult one. Instructions, which we're going to need instructions. Hardware spacers. This is the section that actually mounts to the back of your television. It's got the arrow, so you make sure you put it in the right direction. This is the mount that goes on the wall. Opens up. Put all your mounting hardware. Once you're done, you close these up. It's concealed. And this is the robotics section. This is where all the beef is. This piece is heavy. Once you put the mount on the wall, this lip slides in the top and the TV hangs. So once you get your mount on the wall, you hang the robotic arm on the wall mount. This plate on the back of the TV snaps onto the robot arm. It's got a spring load here you're supposed to hear that snap and lock. Once it's together, you're all set. This TV wall mount from Sanus, you go to their website, you put in the model number of your television and go to their height finder. It tells you exactly where to put that template depending on how high you want the bottom of the TV off the floor or the top of the TV off the floor. It's a great tool. It takes the guesswork out of everything. And this mount has a 10-year warranty. And this thing's heavy. This is pretty beefy. So my first impression on opening this up, it was well worth the money. It was pricey, but well worth it. Well constructed, very solid. The next videos to follow will be mounting that baby on the wall. Thanks for watching.